Hello, YouTubers. This is Monica Gomez. There's Budgie next to my little Bubby, my black and white. She's eating her food. Budgie, that's not nice. Budgie, that's not nice. She's my white parakeet with my black and white chicken. Budgie, that's not nice. That's not your food. That's not your food. Let her eat. Let her eat, Budgie. Let her eat. Let her eat. They're next to each other. They got so close so quick. No, Budgie, you don't bite at her. You don't bite at her. That's not nice. Budgie, won't peck at her, Budgie. Won't peck at her. You saw that? She's trying to peck at her little beak. Budgie, get away from her food, Budgie. She's eating her food. Budgie, Budgie, that's not nice. You want me to pull? You want me to pull on your little feather? Your feather, huh? Huh? Budgie, you want me to pull on your little feather, huh? I thought so, Garina. You leave the baby alone. Let her eat and drink her fresh water. Let her be happy, huh? And then she wants to come down again. She's gonna come down again, watch. She's gonna come down again, watch. Go down, Budgie. There she's, you see? She's coming down again. Oh, Budgie got some booby on her booby. Oh, yeah. She needs to take a shower. Take a shower, Budgie. Go take a shower. You're too cute. You're too cute. I love you, Budgie. Go take a shower. She's so cute, baby. Oh, yes. You be nice to my little baby. You be nice to my little baby. She's excited because the chicken's there. She's always alone and she likes company. She likes company. She's a parakeet, but she doesn't like to be alone. She likes the thought of another baby in there with her. My beautiful baby. Mama, mama, mama. I love you too. I love you too. Mama. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Y'all be good, but you better take care of my little Chiquana. She's a baby. You better take care of her. I'm gonna spank you, Budgie. Good, good. Budgie's older than the little baby. But she's much tinier, but she's still older than the little baby. Yeah. Yeah, Budgie getting bigger. I love you, Budgie. Oh, my baby, be careful. Yes. No, y'all be safe. Won't be fight, Queen. Won't be fight, Queen. What do you? That's enough. That's enough. Y'all be safe. Budgie. Budgie. Go take a shower, Budgie. Go take a shower. Don't be eating her food, Budgie. That's not nice. That's not nice, Budgie. Budgie likes the little baby. I love you, beautiful. I love you, Mama loves you. Budgie's like, she makes a lot of noise. How am I gonna sleep at night? Aww. She's a baby. She's a baby. Budgie's gonna build her a nest. Budgie's gonna build her a nest because she's a baby. How's Budgie gonna take care of the baby, huh? How's she gonna educate her? Educate her? She need to learn how to take care of the baby, huh? She can't eat up all her food. How is she gonna eat herself? How is the baby gonna eat herself, huh? If Budgie eats all her food, the baby ain't gonna live. No. Don't eat her food, Budgie. Good, Garena. Good, Garena. Good, Garena. Budgie likes her so much. She loves the baby. Yeah. She gets attached so fast. She gets attached so fast. Now she's playing me the shime. Shime, 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 shime. Budgie's a shime pianist. She knows her shime. Yes. How's my baby? How's my baby? Oh wow, here she comes again. Here she comes again. Be nice, Budgie. Don't be poking at her with your beak. She's a baby. Budgie, I'm gonna spank you. You be nice, Budgie. Be nice. Good. 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 That's my baby. That's my baby. Budgie, that's not nice. You scare her over there. Be nice, Budgie. What has got into you, Karina? Budgie getting greedy. Karina? Budgie getting gravy. Karina, but... Budgie! What are you up to? Oh. My Bubby's getting used to it, doesn't she? She's so cute. But she likes to eat their food. She's curious. Karina's, yeah. Yeah. Take a shower, Budgie. Take a shower. Show all the YouTubers, Budgie know how to take a shower. Budgie know how to take a shower. Did she waste all the water over there on that side? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. She's showing the baby how to get around in there in the castle. Yeah, she's showing all the birdies over there how to take a shower. She said, I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna take a shower. Just dip in this water and take a shower, try to take a shower, try to take a shower. Yeah, I'm trying to take a shower. I need more water in here. Mama, can you put more water, please, so I can take a shower? But you need to wipe her behind. Take a shower, take a shower. Oh, Budgie, she like to take a shower. Look at her, cute. She got all wet. Budgie got wet. She likes to play in the water. She likes to play in the water. Oh, that's a little bather. She's bathing. Oh yeah, Budgie loves it in the summertime. She get to bathe. She get to bathe. Oh yeah. Budgie takes showers. Budgie takes showers. She's bathing. She likes the water. Ha ha. Budgie's taking showers. Yeah. Yeah. She's showing Mama that she knows how to take showers. Yeah. And there's my baby. My chiquita. My chiquita. My chiquita. Yes. Budgie takes showers. Budgie take 2 showers. She has 2 tubs over there. She take a shower. She take a shower. She take another shower. She take another shower. Yeah. Budgie loves to take showers. Budgie loves to take showers. She is getting all wet and just loving this shower time. Yeah. Budgie's awesome. Budgie's awesome. Budgie's awesome. She's a superstar. She is taking a shower all by herself. All by herself. Here's my baby. She still gotta get used to it over there. Budgie loved the shower. Budgie loved the shower. She's good. Skinny dipping over there. What is she real quick? Yeah. She like her shower. She says, Mama, I take a shower. I show you. I show you, and Budgie know how to stay clean. Budgie know how to stay clean. She take her own shower. Mama, I show you. I know how to take a shower. I know. Budgie know. Yes, there you go. Skinny dipping over there. Skinny whipped cream. Budgie takes showers. Yes. She said, I have to stay nice and fresh so the new baby will love me forever and ever. Budgie don't want to stink. Budgie don't want to stink. She's dipping herself in the water. She's trying to stay clean. Budgie trying to stay clean. There she goes. Dipper, splashy, dipper, splashy. Bipper, splashy. She gotta take her own tubby shower. She's so awesome. She's so awesome. She took a shower. She's a smart baby. She's a smart baby. Yeah. She's a smart baby. Yeah, be good. Matikov loves you. Prina takes the animal mouse. Teach people to be smart vegans. Wherever so great not for Matikov. Palapinas to be Matikov's ourselves and find out train on Mata Earth and Mata Universe. Oh, I was putting my finger up there to block Wednesday's face. Where did Budgie go? Oh, she's in the shower again. Motigov loves you, women. Thank Queen of Budgie, my Chiquetta, and me.